discussing about chromosomal disorders. Before going to that, genetic disorders broadly classified into two types. One is a Mendelian disorder, second one is a chromosomal disorders. I told already chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders completed. Chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders. इसमें before going to that, how many chromosomes are there in human being? Humans are deployed in 46 chromosomes are there. Or 23 pairs are chromosomes. Of course, autosomes in human being, either in both male and female, autosomes, that is a 44 or 22 pairs. 44 or 22 pairs. Allosomes are sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are two. Two are one pair, one pair. Then what is the karyotype of male? You know karyotype? Karyotype means nothing but a chromosomal combination of an organism is called karyotype. Male karyotype here. Male karyotype is a 44 autosomes plus AA means autosomes pair. Autosomes plus XY. Male karyotype. Female karyotype also 44 autosomes plus XX. This is the basic information needed for before going to the chromosomal disorders. Actually, human being having 46 chromosomes, 2n deployed in condition. So 23 pairs. Then autosomes are 44 chromosomes, 22 pairs. Then autosomes both are same in both in male and female, 44 or 22 pairs. Even allosomes are 6 chromosomes are 2 or 1 pair. Then male karyotype is a 44 autosomes. One more question. Can you write the male karyotype? 44 autosomes plus XY. Female karyotype 44 autosomes plus XX. This is the general information. Next, how chromosomal disorders may chance to come, sir? इसमें first one definition. Aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means what, sir? Aneuploidy means failure of segregation of chromatids. This is the keyword. Failure of segregation of chromatids. Failure of segregation of chromatids. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. Failure of segregation. Segregation means not separated. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. It leads to gain or loss of chromosome. Gain or loss of chromosome is called aneuploidy. If failure of segregation of chromatids, then chromosome number decrease or chromosome number increase. It leads to chromosomal disorders. Now I want to repeat again here. Aneuploidy means failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. When failure segregation, then chromosomes are increased or gain or loss of chromosome is nothing but aneuploidy. When gain or loss of chromosome due to failure of segregation, it leads to chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorders in the textbook NCERT, they are three given example. Chromosomal disorders, Down's syndrome, then Klinefelter syndrome, then Turner's syndrome. So, sir, for example, define chromosomal disorder. Can you give some example? Failure of segregation of chromatids leads to chromosomal disorders. Example, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner's syndrome. This is nothing but aneuploidy story. Next, one more word, polyploidy. Polyploidy are also called euploidy. इसका definition, due to failure of cytokinesis. This is the key word here. Failure of cytokinesis. Due to failure of cytokinesis after telomeres telophase cell division stage. Due to failure of cytokinesis after telophase, during cell division, gaining our chromosome number, gaining, not decrease, gain our chromosome number, increase the chromosome number of an organism is called a polyploidy. Poly means many, polyploidy. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase division, gaining or increase the chromosome number of an organism is called a polyploidy. Here failure of segregation is aneuploidy. Failure of cytokinesis increase the chromosome number. Here chromosome number increase or decrease, दोनों भी आता. Here failure of cytokinesis after telophase, then increase the chromosome number of an organism is called a polyploidy or euploidy. Polyploidy example, triticum. Triticum is stivum. This is a ploidy, is a 6N hexaploidy. 6N means hexaploidy. Female Drosophila. This is a 3N triploid condition. Sometimes question, can you mention the ploidy of Triticum aestivum? Hexaploidy. Can you give the example for polyploidy? Triticum aestivum and a female Drosophila. This is an important thing, sir. Then here, in this aneuploidy, some terms are there. Monosomy, trisomy, nullisomy, those words. I'll give see here. Monosomy, trisomy, tetrasomy, nullisomy. Chromosomal disorders में words important words are chromosomal disorders. Monosomy, monosomy, deletion of one chromosome from any one pair. Monosomy, deletion of one chromosome from any one pair is called a monosomy. That is nothing but 2n minus 1 formula. 2n minus 1. Next, trisomy. Trisomy means addition of one chromosome to any one pair. Addition of one chromosome to any one pair is called a trisomy. Iska formula 2n plus 1. Then tetrasomy. Tetrasomy means addition of two chromosomes, that is a tetrasomy, formula 2n plus 2. Then nullisomy. This is nothing but deletion of two chromosomes from any one pair, that is a nullisomy, formula 2n minus 2. So then here four important words are there. That four words are monosomy, trisomy, tetrasomy, nullisomy. Monosomy means 2n minus 1, deletion of one chromosome from any one pair. Trisomy means 2n plus 1, addition of one chromosome to any one pair. Tetrasomy, addition of two chromosomes to any one pair, 2n plus 2. Nullisomy, deletion of two chromosomes or removed of two chromosomes, any one pair is nothing but nullisomy, formula 2n minus 2. So by these are all things, chromosomal disorders are three types. Chromosomal disorders, I'll give that chromosomal disorders. Then comparatively I'll give nana. There just now I said na chromosomal disorders are three types. Then here Down's syndrome. First one, Down's syndrome. Comparatively I'll give Down's syndrome. Second one, Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. Next, third one, Turner's syndrome. Three types. Turner's syndrome. First one, Down's syndrome. It is an autosomal disorder. Chromosomal में autosomal disorder, Down syndrome. This is discovered by Dr. John Langdon Down, scientist. Discovered by Dr. John Langdon Down. Very, very important. Langdon Down, scientist. Then here Down's syndrome, also called Mangaloid idiocy. Mangaloid idiocy. Down syndrome. Then a Down syndrome, how it is affected, sir? How it is affected? Cause, reason. Reason for that, a trisomy of 21st chromosome. Trisomy, important word. Trisomy of 21st chromosome. Trisomy of 21st. Trisomy of 21st means additional chromosome present on 21st. Additional chromosome present on 21st chromosome. That is nothing but trisomy of 21st. Trisomy means addition of one chromosome now. So 21st chromosome. Generally 22 pairs are autosomes. One pair sex. 21st pair में one chromosome is added. Then pair में 3 chromosomes. Then totally, so when 21st का one chromosome is added, then it leads to total 47 chromosomes. 47 chromosomes. Then 47 chromosomes comes. Trisomy of 21st, then it leads to 47 chromosomes in Down syndrome. Number of chromosomes present in Down syndrome, 47 chromosomes. Then karyotype, male karyotype in a normal, different. Male karyotype in a Down syndrome is 47 chromosomes means generally 44 autosomes na. Here 45 comes. This is a 45 autosomes. Then 45 autosomes plus XY. Then female karyotype is 44 autosomes, 45 autosomes plus XX. So 45 plus 2, 47. Total number of chromosomes present in Down syndrome 47. Which chromosome is additional copy of chromosome 21st? Trisomy of 21st. Keyword, important word. Then male karyotype here 45 autosomes plus XY. Female karyotype in Down syndrome 45 autosomes plus XX. Then what are the symptoms? Symptoms. What are the symptoms? Important symptoms. Symptoms Rana, 8 autosomes are affected. Extra chromosome is autosome. Small stature, round head, palm crease, small stature, round head, palm crease, tongue, partially opened mouth, congenital heart diseases. So these are the many symptoms. Many symptoms had been observed in a Down syndrome. So small stature, round head, then palm crease, congenital heart, partially opened mouth. All are body characters only comes. Kaiko, a autosomal disorder. Autosomes control the only body only, not sex. Body only. So body characters only controls. This is nothing but Down syndrome. Now come to Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is a sex-linked chromosomal disorder. Sex-linked chromosome disorder mostly affected in males. Sex-linked chromosomal disorder mostly affected in males. This is discovered by Dr. Klinefelter. Discovered by Dr. Klinefelter, scientist. So mostly affected in males. What is here? Trisomy of 21st. Here trisomy, additional copy of chromosome on 23rd. So trisomy of 23rd. Sex chromosome affected. 23rd is the sex chromosome, not 23rd pair. 22 pairs only autosome. 23rd pair is the sex chromosome. What is 23rd pair in male? So XY. So one X chromosome, additional X chromosome present on 23rd. So it leads to 47 chromosomes again. So how it is comes? So 47 chromosome condition XXY. This is a karyotype exactly for your theory. What is the karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome means? Total 47 chromosome XXY condition. XY. Additional X chromosome present. 23rd. So that's why trisomy of 23rd. Or for neat level 44 autosomes plus XXY. This is also correct. 44 autosomes plus XXY. This is nothing but karyotype of who are suffering from Klinefelter syndrome. Mostly males only affected. So this is nothing but trisomy of 23rd. It leads to 47 chromosome. Karyotype 47, XXY. Then 44 autosomes plus XXY. Both are correct. What type of symptoms? Symptoms, what type of symptoms in Klinefelter syndrome are? Masculine development with gynecomastia. Very, very important. Symptoms nana important. Symptoms, keyword masculine development. Masculine development with the gynecomastia. Masculine development with gynecomastia means seems to be male but not male. Infertile male. Klinefelter syndrome. Masculine development with gynecomastia means male characters there, male only, but female characters also develop. What female character? Breast developed. Male sex hormones are less, testosterone are less. Male sex hormones are less. So male character or female character, both are developed here. Masculine development with gynecomastia. Last year question. Masculine development with gynecomastia. Which are the following syndrome? Klinefelter. Why Kaigo sex affected here? Because it is a sex-linked chromosomal disorder. Infertile male. Which chromosomal disorder? Klinefelter syndrome. Next come to Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is nothing but it is also sex-linked. It is also sex-linked chromosomal disorder. So it is generally seen in females. Discovered by Dr. Turner. Then here deletion of X chromosome on 23rd. Here not added. Deletion of X chromosome on 23rd. So deletion means monosomy. Monosomy of 23rd. Deletion of an X chromosome on 23rd page or monosomy of 23rd. X chromosome, one chromosome deleted on 23rd page. One X chromosome deleted. So one X chromosome deleted leads to how many chromosomes? 45 chromosomes in all. 45 chromosomes in general human beings. Here, Turner syndrome. Then what is the karyotype? 45 plus 45 comma X0. Karyotype 45 comma X0 karyotype. Or for a neat level 44 plus X0. 44 plus 1 45. 0 condition. X chromosome deleted here. Mostly in a females. Then what type of symptoms had been observed here, sir? So Turner syndrome may females nana. Here female, infertile female Turner syndrome. Infertile female means male characters also developed. Male characters. What is the male character? Webbed neck, broad chest developed in females. So seems to be female but not female. Infertile female. Webbed neck, broad chest. Female sex hormones are less. Infertile female. Turner syndrome. Comparisons important. So which of the following disease is a autosomal disorder chromosomal make? Down syndrome. Can you mention the sex-linked chromosomal disorders? Klinefelter and Turner syndrome. What is the can you find the trisomy of 21st chromosome disorder? Trisomy of 21st Down syndrome. Trisomy of 23rd Klinefelter. Monosomy of 23rd Turner syndrome. Can you identify the mongoloid idiocy? Down syndrome. Small stature, round head, partially opened mouth, congenital heart. The symptoms belongs to which disease? Down syndrome. What is the karyotype of Down syndrome male? 45 plus XY. What is the female karyotype of Down syndrome? 45 autosomes plus XX. What is the Klinefelter syndrome karyotype? 47 comma XXY, not plus. Or 44 AA autosomes plus XXY. Female. Here Turner syndrome karyotype 45 comma X0 or 44 plus X0. Both are correct. How many chromosome numbers in Down syndrome? 47. How many chromosome numbers in Klinefelter? 47. How many chromosome numbers in Turner? 45. Can you mention what are the syndromes are having the 47 chromosomes? Downs and the Klinefelter. Such type of questions. Nonsense syndrome. Masculine development with gynecomastia, which syndrome? Klinefelter syndrome. Infertile female, Turner's syndrome. Turner's syndrome. These are the syndromes, are important syndromes here. Right. We had told the three different type of syndromes. So then failure of segregation of chromatids. Failure of segregation of chromatids, gain or loss of chromosomes are formed. Gain or loss of chromosome by an organism, it leads to different type of syndromes. I will show that chart. Male organism, male, female organism, female organism. We know very well male organism. Male organism is nothing but 44 autosomes plus XY karyotype. Female organism 44 autosomes plus XX. This is we know very well. These are the parents, parents. So we know very well. Then gametes. Gametes. What type of gametes? During failure of segregation, due to failure of segregation during cell division time, a segregation failed. What failed? 22 autosomes plus XY directly comes. Gamete. So no segregation, no X, no Y separated. Directly XY come. So then opposite may what come? 22A plus 0. 0 comes. Then here only one type one type homozygous one type I take. 22A plus X. This is correctly case. Then offsprings, what type of offsprings? Then see, offsprings, a 22 autosomes XY gamete, when fused with the 22 autosomes X egg, then form 44 autosomes plus X, other X, XXY. This seems to be Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. Of course, these two, 22 autosomes with a no chromosomal gamete sperm, fused with the 22 autosomes with the X chromosomal egg, then form 44 autosomes plus X0 condition. So here one chromosome less. This is a Turner syndrome. So due to failure of segregation of chromatids, it leads to different type of syndromes. So here one chromosome is increase, here one chromosome is decrease. Failure of segregation. This is a Klinefelter syndrome. This is the Turner's syndrome. Okay. Then from here male gametes are not segregated. XY directly killed. Here females killed. Then this type of syndromes are formed by chromosomal disorders. Thank you very much.